Shubor nakaslem jong unong san hima.
Hadian balaseng yaka kat sandarit menta ubnai ka Meghalaya Triathlon Association. Kala Sdang bandum bandang yagi thei bat kirang Nongïalehkai ki badon yaga jingnang jingtip haga Nongïalehkai Triathlon. Nak benta banyamir jingmut bat kumju ban pet thu yaga jingdon sab ka Jngi haga yaga Nongïalehkai. Ka triathlon ka dei ka wei yaga Nongïalehkai ka badon haga thup jong ka Olympics bat kumju ru haga National Games jong ka ri kani yaga Nongïalehkai ka don lai benta haga basdang ka don ka Jngi buat sa ka Ñiah cycle bat ka benta ka bakhat do ka dei ka Mareh. Yakini kilai tali hab ban pendap ka wei hadian ka wei pat haga ju ka sngi. Yakini ka association la yalam da ka kong repika pde kum ka president bening kong tam ka kong repika ka long ka wei ni kinong Mareh Jngi lani ka ultra marathon runner ka bala pau khmat na du ki snam ba minshwa hakba ka le shimbenta ki Mareh ba pher kum ha khadung la ladak tawang bat ki wei. Nalor jong ka kong repika la jet ru iki wei pat kinong kit kam ki banya kit ya ba ya ka kam kum uba shai kupar khar shiyeng uba badon sing tham ki bade ki buje shimbenta ki Mareh uba James Perry uba la sha jet kum unong ai but jong ka seng bat ki wei. Nagaliang ka president jong ka MTA ka kong repika kalong baga jingtmu jong ka ni association kalong ban sei ki thei bat ki rangkin sai ki bala banya shimbenta ki Nongïalehkai triathlon hagaleng haga triathlon kidon la kijong ki Jngi haga bede bat ki Jngi Ñiah cycle bat Mareh haga national games hagari ki jupenlong ki Jngi kaba news pa san pho meter Ñiah cycle kaba 8 kilometer bat Mareh kaba san kilometer kani kalong ka wei ni ki Nongïalehkai kaba e tam namar ka don lai tadi ki bahab ban pendap ka wei hadian ka wei pat.
Friends, athletes, and members of the Meghalaya Triathlon Association, thank you for being here on this historic occasion, the very first meeting of our association. As someone who has spent years on the roads and trails chasing finish lines across ultramarathons, I never imagined I would one day stand here as a founding president of a body dedicated to triathlon in Meghalaya. This is more than just a meeting. It's the first step of a journey, one that mirrors the very sports we are here to build. A triathlon demands endurance across 3 disciplines: swimming, cycling, and running. Meghalaya stands at a defining moment. With the 39th National Games coming to our state, we have an extraordinary opportunity not just to host, but to produce athletes who can stand on that podium representing our home.
You're planning to compete at a national level. You can't take it lightly. It's not a game that we play. Once you commit to it, it has to be a serious commitment. And it can't be, oh, I can't come next week, I can't train next week, I can't do this, I have an injury, I have this. Injury, sickness, anything doesn't stop what we have to do. Yes, you have to take a rest. Yes, you have to stop, but it doesn't stop the process of where you're going. You can't just say, I can't come for a month, or I can't do this, or whatever. Once you commit, from my side as an advisor, you better be serious about it, and you better be on top of your game, no matter what.
We look towards your continuous guidance and support. A special word of appreciation for all our athletes. You are the reason this association exists. Your passion, discipline, and determination inspire us to work hard every day, creating opportunities and support the growth of triathlon in Meghalaya. We are a young and dynamic team, so we are always open to suggestions and feedback from everyone. While there may be challenges ahead, we are still excited about the future as we look ahead to the upcoming competitions and the national game. Let us all dream big, train hard, believe in ourselves.
Kandiat sngi maredap seng yaka ka MTA kala lumlang yiki thei bat ki Nongïalehkai haga lumpung for all hading yong haga sngi sa jan jong ka tayo balala nak benta ka Jngi. Kila don palat lai phongwat kino shimbenta haga karta ba pher ke Jngi ha tu sngi ka long na ka benta saus pa meter ha la sngi ublei pat ke MTA ka la pendong se ke Ñiah cycle ka ba 4 kilometer bat ke Mareh ka ba 1 kilometer ha ka than New Shillong ha ka ba lawan banish benta da ki Nongïalehkai ki ba don benta ha ke Jngi ha ka sngi sa jan bat sa ka tu ka ni ki wei pan na kaliang ke President jong ke MTA ka le thu ba ka ni ke jinglum jinglang ki Nongïalehkai ka de tang ka jing Sdang jong ka Ñiah lenti ban pen kre ki thei bat ki rang ki ba don ya ka sab bat ka jing tibet ha ka Nongïalehkai Triathlon kenang bikin la ban ne ishi benta ha ka Ñiah khun ba per ki ba julong na ka por sha ka por ka kong repika ka le thu ba ka jing wat ki Nongïalehkai Triathlon lani kita ki triathlete kandang ya tat hadu bandala ban jiet kita ki thei bat ki rang bakan sai ki banla ban mi khmat ya ka jila ka Nongyalam jong ke MTA ka lai khuble ki thei bat ki rang Ñialehkai ki balawan mi hakasngi sa jan bat hakala sngi ublei bat ki balapin I ya la ka jing tebet ka kong repika ka loong babat la ka ni ka Ñialehkai ka long ka wei ni ki ba e tam hendai ka kermen ba ke MTA kan sala ban sei ki thei bat ki rang bakan sai